Inspiration can be found far beyond the usual horizons. This time, Omega looked to a red planetoid called Sedna, the most distant object in our solar system. Sedna Gold is Omega's new 18-karat rose gold alloy, created by blending the purity of gold, the resilience of palladium, and a dash of color from copper. This fusion of gold with the other elements results in a new material ready to be cast in a graphite die that starts, step by step, to form its profile. After cold working has made it 3 times harder than pure gold, Sedna Gold's ultimate geometry is fixed. First by sophisticated technology, and then by human hands. Only at this point is the case assembly completed with the other Sedna Gold elements, including the hands and the indexes. With the final exclusive product, this patented triumph of metallurgy redefines the term 18-karat rose gold in watchmaking. Omega Sedna Gold retains its color forever. Our passion doesn't fade.